Today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the explosive candles indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the explosive candles indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 64 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 828 indicators, with 336 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 33 of the winning indicators. 11 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the explosive candles indicator. You can see the indicator here on screen. And so in the original testing, it did over the 10 trades within the 1 year's time. And so we kept this on the daily time frame, and we did not adjust the stops or take profit on this. And so the indicator itself, what we did in the original video was we basically just looked for the buy and the sell tags. And so when we would get a buy tag like here, then we would go long. That would be a signal to go long. When we would get a sell tag like here, then that would be a signal to then go short. And so that's how we tested it in the original video, and that's how I tested it again on this one. And so what we'll do now is go ahead and fast forward through the 50 trade test, the advanced testing, and we'll pick it up on the other side to take a look at what this was able to achieve in the advanced testing. Alright, so that's going to put us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what that was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You're welcome to join, take part of the conversations in most of these channels here, but we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. For example, Sasquatch here is an amazing Forex prop trader. One of our members here, he's posting charts like this on a regular basis where he's marked out areas of support and resistance. areas of interest, and just general Forex analysis of the market. Posting really great charts, really informative charts, outlining kind of how you should be looking to mark up a chart and areas you should be looking for once you have a chart marked up, kind of understanding how Forex is flowing accordingly to that support and resistance, and things like wedge patterns and so on. And so then there are some of our other members who are just posting just some really great information, trades that they are looking to take. You can see here trades that they are in and are doing really well, and just general knowledge and support all around. So it's just a really great environment. Everybody's helping everybody out. Everybody's kind of coaching everybody and helping everybody to grow and become a better trader. I highly recommend it.
All right, let's go ahead and take a look at what this was able to achieve in the advanced testing. So in the advanced testing, it did, well, we did the 50 trades like normal. And out of the 50 trades, it did 27 winning trades and 23 losing trades, which puts it at a 54% win rate. And so obviously that's not going to meet that 60% criteria or maintain the 60% criteria that we are looking for. This indicator is interesting. Obviously there is some rhyme or reason to how this indicator gives signals, but it seemed to also just kind of throw signals just randomly in areas that it definitely shouldn't be throwing signals. And so it seemed as though it was trying to kind of lead what price action was doing, which you know, a lot of indicators do attempt that, to kind of forecast what the price action might do. But there were times when like I said, it was throwing signals and there was really no reason why it should be giving a signal to go either short or long at that time. Price definitely hadn't made any kind of move that would indicate that it should be moving in a particular direction. And so yeah, that's you know, that can kind of be problematic with indicators like this, and using it as a entry indicator, I guess, is the problematic part. And so not that it can't be used for something else, not that it's not a good indicator, but using it for an entry indicator is just not going to work out, because it is really just kind of throwing signals randomly. And then again, sometimes an entry indicator like this, if you have another indicator just kind of as confirmation to filter out some of those signals at strange times, then it can kind of work out. But we're searching for ones that have a better win rate, so hopefully we can find the best of the best indicators to stack on top of each other. All right, that's it for this one. I'm going to stop rambling on. This one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.